Nation. Formation of the United Nation. There have already been two disastrous world wars, the First World War and the Second World War, where millions of people were killed. Can you imagine the suffering that these wars caused to people all over the world? The United Nations was created to foster peace and prevent war in the future. On 24th October 1945, representatives from 51 countries met in San Francisco, USA, signed the UN Charter. Today, there are nearly 200 member states that form this organization. Now, objectives. The name United Nations was coined by President F.D. Roosevelt of the USA nations. The main objective were to maintain peace in the world, to maintain friendly relation between the nation, to act as a center that helps nation achieve their goal, to work together to help the poor, to fight hunger, literacy and disease, and to have respect for each other's rights and freedom. Bodies of the UN. The work of UN is carried by six main organs. The General Assembly. The General Assembly is the main body of the UN. It deals with important global issues. Its main headquarters of General Assembly is in New York. The Security Council maintains global peace and security. The Security Council maintains global peace and security. It has 15 members. UK, China, France, Russia and USA are its permanent member and others are non-permanent for the term of 2 years. The decision made by the Security Council have to be followed by all the countries. Now, Economic and Social Council. Council look after the economic, humanitarian, social and cultural activities that the UN undertakes. Now there was trusteeship council also, but today this council is not functioning anymore. The International Court, official body of the UN, it is located at The Hague in Netherlands. This court comprises 15 judges, the member of the General Assembly and the Security Council. These judges are elected by the member of General Assembly and Security Council. Now next is Secretariat deals with the daily activities of UN. Of the UN, special agencies of the UN, they are United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization. The short form is UNESCO. It encourages cooperation amongst countries and enables the exchange and information in the field of education, science and culture. Now next one, United Nations Children Fund. It is UNICEF. Defends, promotes and protects children's rights. WHO, World Health Organization, manages international health work and conducts research on the cure, prevention and elimination of diseases. Food, Agriculture and Organization, FAO, works to eliminate hunger and malnutrition and to raise the levels of nutrition. International Labour Organization ILO formulates policies that ensure basic human rights for workers, improve their working as well as living condition and create more employment opportunities. October 1945, Mrs. Vijayalakshmi Pandit was the first woman president of General Assembly of the United Nations. It has made in the United Nations peacekeeping mission by sending troops, reinforcement, conducting relief operation in the war, struck areas and areas hit by calamities. Permanent membership has been elected as a member of UN Security Council for 7-year terms. UNICEF has contributed by funding the Anganwadi program. Next, India's gift of non-alignment. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was the first Prime Minister of India, proposed non-alignment to reduce the tension. The proposal was supported by President Abdul Gamal Nasser of Egypt and President Joseph Broz Tito of Yugoslavia.